I am from Cebu.
Oh,
kaya
yun.
matigas ang
Bisaya.
dila. Bisaya.
Okay ba lighting ko? Maganda ako?
Yeah.
We love fashion.
And I think it's also reflective of how resourceful Filipinos are.
So talagang inasikaso namin yung schedule namin. Nag-request kami ng off.
Pero dito sa Ireland, parang natutuwa kami na kahit
Ang saya, nandiyan si Papa Piolo.
Nakapag-HC sila to, cyber security.
Sumabog yung box mo, hindi ka cover ng insurance.
Pero kami naman from Wexford, rain or shine, kasi nakaplano na kami na kukuha kami ng bus.
Don't forget
5 years ago na yun.
It's nakakapangit. So,
true.
dito lang tayo. Beauty lang tayo.
Abangan natin. And balita ko dyan. May surprise kami guys. Anyway, dun sa book na yun.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
And last but not the least, Mr. and Mrs. K of Tara Let's Talk YouTube vlogging podcast. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. K. Wow, what a vision. Welcome and welcome to Dublin Filipino Festival.
Right guys, we are joined by these young talents of Filipino talents in Ireland. Mrs. K.
Yes, it's so exciting, especially for me and Don, to meet young people, young talented Filipinos. Siyempre. At itong dalawang to, they're into fashion and we love fashion.
Hi, my name is Rhea Mayabule. I am a recent graduate in fashion management from Portobello Institute. Currently, I am kind of a fashion stylist, just looking into getting into the industry, but love creating and love doing what I do.
And of course,
And my name is Lance Santillan. I am a fashion design student at the National College of Art and Design. And I am also working as a fashion design teacher, teaching kids and teenagers how to pursue their dreams in fashion.
Oh, wow, di ba? You can see na talagang ang mga Filipinos dito sa Ireland ay magagaling.
of course, and the
bright ang
integration, of course,
Yes.
guys. And what you up to here, guys? Where are we at the moment?
So we are at the Dublin Filipino Festival, just enjoying the sense of community and celebration of all things Philippines.
From music to food, and thankfully, God blessed us with this weather. So, yeah, enjoying that atmosphere as well in the Filipino-Irish community.
Probably you wouldn't mind talking to us about a little bit of your attires.
Yes.
So I am wearing an outfit that I fully made myself. The fabrics I've used are all upholstered fabrics that I've recycled from an old curtain because part of my brand and part of something I really believe in is sustainability. And I think it's also reflective of how resourceful Filipinos are, where we find magic in absolutely anything. The fabric itself, it wasn't intentional, but it gives the idea of baybayin script, which I think is a really important thing for me to really reconnect to my Filipino roots. We have the Filipiniana turno sleeves. On the back, we have traditional weaving as well. And yeah, I made the whole outfit in 2 weeks.
Wow, guys. So where is the curtain made from? No, I'm just joking. Okay.
So for me, my outfit, I wanted it to be mismatched but intentional. So for this, I've matched it with the Filipiniana skirt, of course made from the traditional pineapple textile. Matching shoes, kind of reminiscent of, you know, the chairs, the weavings, the pamaypays in the Philippines. And as well as that, I really credit my background in fashion in Ireland to Agite Vintage, so that's where I've sourced this. And in the different textiles I have, I wanted it to show that, you know, being born here, but my parents being from Philippines, it's a mixed match of the cultures, but something that's really true to me.
Oh, you know what, Don? They're living my dream when I was a child.
Wow, guys. So imagine, guys, these young Filipinos here, they're born and raised in Ireland. And look, guys, so thank you very much, guys, and enjoy the scene, enjoy the festival.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, we shall see you.
Picture po tayo.
Oh, sige. Yan. Kita-kits ulit, ha? Yan guys, parang nag-time travel lang tayo from Portal in Dublin. Ito na naman guys.
Yes.
Festival naman ulit nag-meet.
Yeah, naman. Itong mga ano dito, no, ang kinaganda rito sa may mga Filipinos talaga na pagka may ganitong events, syempre pinupuntahan natin. Di ba? At isa sa mga talaga masasabi nating yung mga event chaser. Oh, yun.
Yes. Hindi
Di ba?
kasi sa totoo lang nakakatuwa na makita uli yung ating mga kababayan na hindi naman natin regular na nakikita. Like itong si JJ and JJ, sabi ko kagad no kasi John and Janice. So, 'di ba? 'Yun. So, na-meet natin sila last time February. And then eto ngayon, maaraw.
Maaraw.
Dati
Dati maulan.
Maganda yung panahon ngayon ng ano.
What can you say guys about the festival? Is this the first time you've seen something like this?
Yes,
Yeah,
this is my first time to attend sa ganitong event. And alam ko, this is the first time na magkaroon ng Filipino festival.
Kasi noon merong Barrio Festa sa Ireland, sa Dublin. But obviously, sa tagal ng panahon, medyo nawala na. Tapos wala tayong embassy noon. And then parang, yun na, ito na naman ulit.
Kaya nga,
Nakakatawa na
kaya nga.
makakita ulit ng mga kababayan natin na nandito at sumusuporta sa Filipino Festival.
Okay, Janice, ikaw. Si John lagi mong binibigay kay John. Si Janice na.
So tawag dito, parang pinaghandaan namin to kasi before nabalitaan namin na magkakaroon ng Filipino Festival sa Dublin. So talagang inasikaso namin yung schedule namin. Nag-request kami ng off para maka-attend
Oh,
dito. So
nice.
halos parang 3 days off kami para lang maka-attend dito. So
Kasi malayo, no?
Oo, from Cork kasi so kailangan i-plan yung travel tsaka yung pinaka-itinerary namin. Tapos nakakatuwa kasi parang isang buong Filipino community na galing sa iba't ibang parte ng Ireland nagsama-sama dito sa Dublin para i-celebrate yung Filipino community and yung culture natin. So
Yun,
nakakatuwa.
ganda.
Worth it naman po, di ba?
Sobrang worth it. Lalo na yung food, masasarap lahat.
Yan, ito nga, nakapila pa. Di ba?
Sobrang haba ng pila.
Yeah, so kita-kits na lang tayo ulit sa next event.
Hello guys. Hello. Hello. Yan. Yan ako lang dito.
Thank you, and you continue to enjoy the Dublin Filipino Festival, Pinoy Fiesta.
Dili pag kasanayon to. Muslim pa sila. Naano pa ang kuan. Lalo pa na minot. Yang tagay po
Sa dinami-dami ng tao na nandito ngayon sa festival na to, akalain mo ba si Aling Vising, hindi naman kamag-anak,
Baka
kababayan
nga, I
mo
won't be
pala.
surprised kung kamag-anak.
Yeah, yun nga
Isipin
sabi
mo
ko
yun,
kanina, di ba?
ito talaga yung nakakatuwa. Pag yung nag-attend ka talaga ng mga activities and then yung mga pagtitipon ng mga Filipinos, yung makakakilala ka ng kababayan mo.
Yes.
At hindi lang basta simpleng kababayan kasi yung lugar talaga namin is super lapit lang dun sa kanya.
Parang very specific,
Yes,
no?
oo, talaga, papaya. Pag sinabi kasi Rio Chico, papaya, General Pino, yun na yun eh. So, I'm really happy na finally, nakahanap ako ng kababayan dito sa atin, sa Ireland. Okay, Aling Bising.
Oh, nako, hindi ko akalain magandang pangyayari. Imagine.
Lapit po.
Pero nung makita ko nga ang pangalan ni Laura is Pangilinan, ay, sus Maria, sabi ko, pakataga papaya. At yun nga nangyari. Nagkita kami ngayon by accident. Nag-meet kami din sa Filipino Festival. Ay, nagkausap kami. Abay, magkababayan.
Nako.
Magkababayan kami.
Pero Aling Bising, first po tayong nagkita nitong Independence Day lang talaga, no? Or nagkita po tayo noon pa?
Sa Kaban.
Ay,
Ay, yun
tama.
yung sa Kaban.
Yes.
Opo, yun sa Kaban.
Oo.
Kaban,
Pero
oo.
hindi tayo nagkausap
Oh,
doon.
hindi nga po tayo nagkausap. Di dapat nagkaalaman na tayo.
Hindi ko pa alam na masyado yung...
Opo.
Oh, yeah. So, ayun, magandang pangyayari ito. sa Filipino Festival. Nakakita ako ng kamag-anak sa bayang matagal ko nang hindi nabisita.
Yan, di ba? By the way, guys, si Aling Bising, isa sa mga pinakamatagal ng Filipinos dito sa Ireland. And in fact, mayroon na siya mga anak at saka mga apo na nga, guys, eh. Di ba? Saan po ba si Aling Bising talaga dito sa Ireland? Para lang sa natin.
Ako'y nasa Galway pero 40 years ako nakatira sa Lucan County, Dublin. At doon doon lumaki yung mga anak ko. At noong lang mawala ang asawa ko, lumipat ako sa Headford, Galway. So, nandun na ako ngayon. At tahimik at gustong-gusto ko doon, tahimik. At maganda ang mga senaryo.
Hindi po kasing busy si Dublin, ano po?
Oo, hindi kasi busy. Kaya nananahimik ako sa edad ko.
Okay.
Sa edad
And
ko
Aling
ito.
Bising is married to an Irish fella. Yeah, para lang masabi natin.
Original, apam yung tawag
Oh,
nila,
yun.
di ba? Isa si Aling Bising sa mga kauna-unahan.
Yeah, actually, we are going to hold a pioneers reunion.
Oh.
Yes, yeah. It will be in October. And Jesus, when we put up the WhatsApp group, I was surprised that there are about 60 now who enlisted themselves to
That's
attend.
nice.
So we are so happy that, Diyos ko, buhay pa yung mga kasamahan ko.
And yung pangalawa niyo pong book, yung theme po ba same lang nung dati or iba naman siya?
Kaibahan. Ang aabangan ng ating
Yes.
The title of the first book is From Philippines to Ireland, A Voyage of Discovery. And I wrote that book because for a while, I thought I should forget my Filipinohood and become Irish. And then I said, oh my God, I have to discover more about the Philippines. So I read more about the Philippines and I said I have to write about this to tell my fellow Filipinos here that don't be afraid not to be Irish at the moment because you have to know first yourself. Be a Filipino first.
Know your roots.
Know your roots first.
Yes.
Abangan.
Abangan natin. And balita ko dyan, may surprise kami guys. Anyway, dun sa book na yun. So, Aling Bising, maraming salamat po sa time ninyo. And I'm sure yung day natin na to, marami pa tayong makikita sa labas kasi festival ng mga Filipinos dito sa Ireland and we are enjoying it. And
Yeah.
we want you to enjoy it as well,
Oh,
of course.
I am glad I came. It was actually my daughter and my grandchildren who wanted really to come.
Okay.
So I said, let's
Napilit
go.
lang si Aling Bising. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
So,
Thank you po.
Nice meeting you. That will
Of
you
course
again.
po.
Hi guys, I'm Crystal Bello. Your health is the foundation of everything you want to build. Your energy, your confidence, your productivity, your mood, your relationships, your future. When your body feels good, everything in your life gets better. And that's why I'm passionate about the Feel Great system. It's a simple, science-backed way to support your metabolism, balance your blood sugar, reduce your cravings, and help you lose weight naturally without depriving yourself or doing extreme diets. Most people don't need more restriction. They need a system that works with their body, not against it. The Feel Great system gives you steady energy, fewer crashes, better digestion, and real sustainable results. So if you're ready to take control of your health and finally feel great in your own skin, contact Mr. and Mrs. K from Ireland. They'll help you get started. Bye.
So, what are you waiting for?
Tara, let's talk. Hello.
I always see your videos on
Oh, thank
YouTube
you.
and Facebook.
Oh, thank
Lovely
you.
to meet you.
Golda, yeah?
Yes po.
Oh, di ba?
Is this in the vlog?
Yeah.
Yes. Very
Oh.
ambush interview. Very happy for the turnout of the events. And then,
Pwede, pwede.
artsy. Yeah, pero,
Oh.
GMA.
Pwede naman, di ba?
Oo nga, hindi, sige. Oo, para ba to sa mga Filipino community?
Okay, Mrs. K, siyempre pag Filipinos, hindi mawawala yan ang...
Yes, ang pampaganda. At pag-usapang pampaganda, kumusta Ryan? Kumusta ang ating Philo?
Naman ito, di ba?
Philo
Oh,
is growing.
Philo is growing,
Philo is
perfect.
growing. So
It's been a while since the last time we've seen each other.
right
Di ba?
right now,
Oh, di ba?
ano na siya, Philo has 2 brands. There's the Philo Clinic.
A little
There's
bit, yeah.
there's the Philo Clinic for like the advanced lasers, medically supervised treatments, and then we're creating a new brand called Philo First.
Oh.
So Philo First is your facials, your chemical peels. That's your first step. Your first step into the Philo world, basically.
Oh, wow.
So, dalawa na ang brand ngayon ng Philo. We're opening a 3rd branch in a month's time, and you guys are invited.
Oh, thank you.
You
Oh,
have
wow.
to visit
Oh, ito
the new
naman,
brand.
bigyan natin ng mic.
Saan ba yung camera?
Ay, wow!
360 yan. Kahit saan.
Don't worry about you.
Oh my God! Charot. Uy, salamat sa support, Mr. and Mrs. Kiram.
Lagi naman.
Oo. Ay, invite din kayo, like, sa Philo First. We will message you.
Yeah.
That's great.
You have to feature Philo First,
Yeah,
and
kasi
then
kayo yung first sa Sensei.
Oh, don't forget
5 years ago na yun.
Yes.
Don't forget our
Yes.
What year was it?
Oh my God.
23.
23.
Yes. 5 years ago. 5 years ago.
And you've grown so far.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
And I said these guys before. Remember, I
Yeah.
said these two will go. I
Ah.
said that before.
Ay, gabi talaga to si
O
Mrs.
sige,
Kiram.
i-promote na rin natin ang bagong massage clinic.
Ay, tama.
Yes.
It's called Calma.
Kalma.
Calma. So kalma lang.
Kalma lang.
With a C or K?
Kalma lang, magpaanak with a C for calm. Calma.
Yes.
And then, ano ba to? Exclusive on your channel.
Yes.
We're opening a hair salon. We're getting a Filipino hairstylist
Ang dami na.
para
Head to toe na dapat.
Head to toe na, oo.
Yes.
isama na rin natin yan. I-reveal na ba natin ang name ng salon?
Wag muna, wag muna.
Wag na. You have to go back. Oo.
Yes.
And feature.
But we will see you in opening, okay? In Kalmak and
Yes,
in
we will definitely.
Philo First.
What can you say about the Filipino festival so far, guys? It's been such a long time since we had
Yeah.
something like this.
Filipinos know how to have fun. Like tingnan mo, maganda ang araw, may pagkain, ang pinakamahabang linya talaga ang pagkain.
Yes.
Look at that.
True.
So Filipinos love food, love singing, and just having fun.
Yes. And for sure, walang away dito. Harmony lahat.
Walang away.
Yes.
Nakakapangit, di ba?
United lahat.
Yes, nakakapangit.
Oo,
So,
true.
dito lang tayo. Beauty lang tayo.
Correct.
Kaya
Catching up.
thank you. So, yung promote, may info pa bang bago like dito? Sa likod natin.
So dito you can have the massage ng Calma, and then you can also have the facial. We're offering the massage and the facial at the same time with a preferred price. Na 199 facial and massage na siya.
Or
1 hour
99
facial,
each.
1 hour massage. Yeah.
And then, and of course, guys, if you're glowing from outside, you have to glow from within as well. Kaya, guys, if you wanna feel great, talk to us. Alam na!
Alam na.
Alam na this. Yes, thank you.
So yeah.
Thank you for dropping
Picture muna
by.
tayo.
We have to take a photo.
Yes.
Yeah, mag-picture tayo.
Picture muna, picture.
Thank you! Hello! Hi, Ruth! Oh. Hi, guys!
Nakabidyo ako?
Oh, Jana!
Arana, princess! Yes!
Well, guys, alam naman natin pag OFW or living abroad, meron pa rin naman tayong balak talaga na magkaroon ng bahay sa...
Pilipinas.
Yes.
At syempre, usapang investment.
Yes naman. At syempre sa mga ganitong events, may mga sabihin nating yung mga kagaya nito, di ba? About sa properties and everything.
Yes. So we have the Robinsons resident.
Ayan, and then we have
Yes.
somebody here to talk to, right? Okay, you go
Yes,
there.
Romel, ito po.
Hello, how are you?
So anong masasabi natin sa Robinsons residents?
Well, Robinson's Land Corporation we just introduced here in Ireland. This is just new, and we're trying to invite everyone, promote everyone for investment. So what we're trying to do here is just to encourage everyone to, to buy properties in the Philippines, because we've been here in Ireland for quite so long. Even myself, I'm here to 25 years already, but we're trying to encourage everyone, new Filipinos, OFWs, so at least when they go back home, they have the property of their own.
Just a little bit of background. Where are we from the Philippines, by the way?
I am from Cebu.
Oh,
Kaya
yun.
matigas ang
Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Oh, naman.
Anyway, well, I'm encouraging everyone, the Filipinos here in Dublin, to to buy investment in the Philippines, and that's especially with Robinson's Lands Corporation. Okay.
Okay, baka naman. Oh.
Yan, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, happy Dublin Festival. Okay guys, one of our Suki, di ba, Mrs. K?
Yes. Ano po ang masasabi nyo sa ating festival ngayon?
Ay, natutuwa po kami sa yung turnout nung festival. Ang daming Filipino na nagsasaya together. Tapos parang yung mga ibang bagay na na-miss natin from the Philippines, from back home, parang ngayon ko lang nakita after a year and a half dito sa Ireland. So, natutuwa po kami sa embassy na parang na-maintain pa rin yung pagmamahal natin sa bansa, and we see that in this event. So, yeah po.
That's very good. Now, sa inyo po bang pananaw, itong ating mga communities ngayon sa Ireland, bukod sa nasabi niyo na kanina, yung ating celebration and everything like that, in the future, ano ba yung mga ninanais na makita nyo pa sa Filipino communities in Ireland?
Ayun, so parang natutuwa kami na parang ito self-organized to. Parang these are like Filipinos in Ireland who have put this event together, and we're really proud na parang yung community natin is taking the initiative to promote Filipino culture, to promote togetherness in the community, and we hope na parang every year, alam ko parang medyo matagal na hindi nagkaroon ng fiesta.
Yes, true.
So sana every year may ganito, and the embassy will always be here to support people who are helping to organize this. We'll be present, of course, and pero we're very proud na it's like it's an initiative of the community, na yung community mismo is putting this together. So sana ang hope namin, yung nice namin is every year merong
perfect.
something like this.
Yeah. And when it comes to comparison lang naman sa mga dati nyo ng mga countries na napuntahan, kumusta naman yung Ireland compared sa kanila?
Ayun, so mukhang, lahat naman ng Filipino communities everywhere, iba-iba yung parang sitwasyon. Pero dito sa Ireland, parang natutuwa kami na kahit nagkaroon ng period na walang embassy, parang nanatiling aktibo yung mga grupo, nagpupulong sila on their own, and then ngayon na nandito na yung embassy, parang nakikita namin yung mga bigger events like this. So parang it's yung Filipino community in Ireland is a community that we are very impressed with.
And self-funded to.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. We're very proud of yung work na ginagawa ng community na parang hindi naghihintay na may someone else na magpupush sa kanila to organize things. Parang these events are being self-funded, organized by community members themselves. So very impressed kami sa Filipino community in Ireland.
Kaya thank you sa ating mga community leaders.
So, ayun, thank you very much sa community leaders who are backing all of this, organizing people, and putting in yung effort and time in their spare time after nung mga trabaho nila. Alam ko na parang dagdag na trabaho ito, and yet ginagawa pa rin. So it's really something na natutuwa kami and proud kami to be the embassy representing this community here in Ireland.
Yo, it's so nice to hear that, guys. So, maraming salamat, Consul. Enjoy the atmosphere
and
the weather, diba?
Yes.
Yes, guys. Mula sa iba't ibang places or counties sa from different places in Ireland nagsidala one dito sa ating festival dito sa Ireland. Now, Mrs. K,
Hindi mawawala ng taga Wexford.
Hello from Wexford!
Yeah.
Kamusta naman ang experience natin?
Maganda, maganda. Ang daming tao, di ba? Parang first time ko ulit naka-join ng ganitong festival for since how many years. So, maganda naman siya so far. Maganda.
Yes. At maganda ang weather. Sana next year, no? Mas organized, mas maraming food. Anong experience natin sa food?
Mahabang pila.
It only shows na talagang maraming dumalo dito sa festival na to. It could be, I would say, it could be negative or positive, but at the same time, siyempre, yung weather kasi na to, ito talaga yung nagpalabas sa mga tao. Di ba? Siyempre, alam naman natin sa Ireland, hindi parating ganito yung weather.
Pero kami naman from Wexford, rain or shine, kasi nakaplano na kami na kukuha kami ng bus.
Ayun.
So, 40 participants from Wexford. So, yun.
So ayun, kaya pala, yung pila ng nag-parade kanina, tatatlo lang dahil naiwan ang bus.
Naiwan ako. Nalihit kami. I think bibigyan kami ng award ni Miles ngayon.
Ibibigyan ng award. Anong klaseng award yon?
Yan ang hindi namin alam.
Yes,
Di bale,
naman.
maaga po sila para sa next year.
True.
Grabe, parang celebrity.
Ano naman?
Parang naiya naman ako. Kaya sabi ko, andito na sila, malapit na sila. That's nice. Buti nandito kayo.
Kasi may mga nagme-message sa amin, they're expecting na, uy, kayo sa festival, gano'n.
Ayun, tara punta tayo. Hindi pwedeng absent. Dapat nandun. Nakanta din yung mga taong matagal mo nang hindi nakita. Exactly. That's what I said.
Yes.
Nung tinatanong ako, bakit punta? Well, technically ngayon, nakita ko nga yung mga nakita ko. Last time ko sila nakita 2019.
Imagine? Yes, guys, when it comes to events, syempre, etong ating mga kababayan na yung mga ladies na nandito, ito yung talagang napaka-dedicated nila when it comes to performing, di ba? Mrs. K!
Yes, syempre, lagi yan. Suki ito. Si Miss Jana.
Hello, kumusta mga kababayan? We are very happy to be here. Ang saya, nandiyan si Papa Piolo. And of course, to watch all the performers live at ourselves and Cathy. Very talented.
Yes. Ang gusto kasama niya kanina na kumanta at sumayaw.
Yeah, we enjoyed a lot and nandito yung mga friends and the most one is yung pagkain, the Filipino food. So food is
course,
life po.
syempre.
So we enjoy the food and the bonding of the friends and families as well.
And hindi ka ba nahirapang pumila sa food?
Oh, ang hirap. 2 hours bago kami nakakain. Tapos after kain, toilet, magpila ulit ng 1 hour.
Yan, it only shows, guys, na maraming dumalo dito sa ating Pinoy festival, di ba?
Yes.
So,
sa tingin mo, kailangan bang maulit ito next year?
Yes, of course! It's nice to see everybody here, all together.
So anong mga messages niyo sabihin na natin sa mga Filipinos in Ireland and in the future? What's your hope in the future?
More foods, more tent, kasi wala masyadong parang empty. More toilets, yes. Yeah, but I really had a good time. Thanks.
And more dance and song dito sa dalawa.
Of course,
Yes,
syempre naman, di ba?
Last minute yung mga rehearsals, mga practice. At kaya lang, carry lang.
Kasi naman, parang lagi naman praktisado tong dalawang to eh.
On the go all the time, charot.
Yeah, naman.
On the go, always on the go. Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
guys, thank you very much,
ladies.
ladies. And enjoy the weather out there.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again. See you again.
Siyempre, tayo ay laging mga present.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, ladies.
Okay, we'll catch up later. Thank you. Thank you.
Mabuhay! Pilipinas!
May kasamang Marky. Yan, Claire. Hello. Oh, ito pala eh. Mga ano pala ito eh. Yan pala. Mga accountants.
Mabuhay!
Hi guys.
That's Honest Care Academy.
Oh yan. Kita kits ulit ha.
Oh, yes!
Ako napagpasa ng DC.
Yan.
Wala na magpaparado tayo, hindi ko na kailangan mag-t-shirt. Hindi ko na mag-marshal pala tayo. Nakakaya ko. Let's stop down! Let's stop! With our amazing Hey! Guardians Brotherhood Ireland!
Alright guys, sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho dyan, siyempre dito sa event na to, may mga talagang naghahanap ng work. Okay, let's...
May mga agencies dito. So, interviewin po natin sila.
Yes,
Okay,
Mrs. K.
Hello, ladies. So, what is All in Care?
So we are a home care company based in Dublin, North and South, and we provide service to patients in Meath and Louth. So we work with the HSE, and obviously we have private patients too. So if anybody is interested to proceed with a full-time career, part-time career in healthcare, we have jobs available.
So, you will be needing nurses and carers.
Correct. Yes, yeah.
But are they only... Is it just in Ireland?
Just in Ireland.
Just
yes.
in Ireland. If
Yeah.
you're somewhere out there, like
Well,
outside abroad, yeah.
We sponsorship a lot of colleagues from Philippines. Yeah, that's why we partnership with our
Recruitment. So,
recruitment.
yeah, so this one is for recruitment.
Correct.
Ate Alma.
And we are the employer.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, because me and John actually, we're both nurses. So this is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna get your contact because I'll share it to my colleague.
Absolutely. We will love that. So if you are somebody who you want to make a change in people's lives, you're more than welcome to apply.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, lady.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, pag Pinoy nasa abroad, hindi mawawala yung...
Magpa-box or magpabalik-bayan.
Yes, at usapang box, siyempre, sino pa nga ba?
MGM Cargo Limited po. 15 years in service. So nag-ooperate tayo sa Northern Ireland, Republic of Ireland at Isle of Man. So this is for 156 shipment.
Wow.
156 shipment.
So,
Containers. 156 containers
15 years, subok ng matatag.
So far, so good in operation. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, thank you very much.
Yung mga boxers ba natin nila, para lang sa mga, siyempre marami tayong mga kababayan na mga bago pa lang sa Ireland. So paano kayo makontak at saka gaano ba kalaki ang boxes natin at kung po pwedeng ma-reveal how much yung boxes?
Yung box lang natin sa Republic of Ireland, one size lang tayo, large. So okay, so pag Dublin, €100 per box. All over Philippines, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, wag lang island destination, may additional charge. So yun lang tayo. Pero pag island destination ka, between 1,500 pesos per box additional. So yun siya. May additional charge din tayo sa oversize, yung binabalki, bawal sa atin. Dapat square lang talaga ang box. Ako lang ang naglalagay ng security seal sa lahat ng nagbabox, kaya alam ko ako nabuksan ng box. May shield ako, sinisil ko talaga siya.
Any warning sa mga nagpapadala? Ano ba yung mga dapat na pinapadala at bawal ipadala?
Sa totoo lang po, bawal sa atin ang liquid over 500 ml sa loob ng box. Mouthwash, Domestos, cooking oil, fabric conditioner, marami sa Pilipinas yan. Pinagbabawal yan. So pag nagpadala ka doon, sumabog yung box mo, hindi ka covered ng insurance. Fully licensed tayo, fully insured.
Yun. So tandaan po natin yan. Kasi hindi yung lagay lang ng lagay.
Sayang ang laman. Sayang ay binabayad ninyo.
Paano naman po ba yung mga may mga 85-inch na TV dyan? Paano ba yun?
Paano yun?
Dati kumukuha tayo ng mga television, 65 inches lang, pero walang 85 sober awan. Kaya lang magbabayad ka roughly sa akin €500 sa television.
mahal na din,
€500. Magbabayad tayo ng custom tax and then i-crate namin. I-wooden crate ko yan. So hindi tayo nagpapalis ng television na hindi naka-wooden crate. Easy lang na ma-damage yan.
Pero yung 500, kasama na yung lahat-lahat.
Total na siya. Total
Pati
na
daw
siya.
yung TV.
Total yan, television. Pero
Hindi,
in-advise
biro
ko
lang.
lang talaga pag television, sa Pilipinas.
Sa Pinas
Sa
na
Pilipinas
lang.
na. Kasi may mga parts. Kasi dito, pag nasira siya, ang parts mo, wala ka na makukuha.
At ipapakonvert mo pa pag sa Pilipinas,
Totoo
di
yun,
ba?
i-convert mo pa siya. So, totoo yun. So, yun ang
So,
galing.
yun.
So, maganda. Thank you very much.
Eh, kunwari naman yung iba, may mga nagpapadala ba ng mga bike?
Meron tayo mga push bike, pwede tayo, mga mountain bike, pwede tayo. So ang price natin ay 200 euro to 250 euro. So yan ang price natin. Sa bike lang yun, basta bibigyan mo lang sa akin, nakabox na. So yun lang
So
siya.
sa mga iba pa pong question, dahil hindi ko alam ang mga tanong nyo,
Opo.
contact nyo lang po.
MGM Cargo po. MGM Cargo Limited, 15 years in service. Nag-ooperate po tayo sa Northern Ireland, Republic of Ireland at Isle of Man.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much po.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Kuya,
Sige po. Ingat.
Sila sa akin.
okay.
When it comes to jobs, always naman talaga in demand ng mga Filipinos.
Kaya naman, sa mga nurses na nasa Pilipinas or nasa man pong dako ng mundo na gustong maging nurse dito sa Ireland, ito sila yung dapat kontakin para makapasa tayo, di ba, sa ating exam.
Exactly.
Okay.
So, my name is Aries, okay?
Yes, I'm GJ. Yes, we're husband and wife. Yes, so we have the Ansolas Care Academy. So, tinayo namin to help people, not only from the Philippines, but also even those who are in the Middle East, basta overseas nurses who would like to prepare for the Irish aptitude test. And then,
Of course, yung i-add on ko lang din doon, yung mga HCA na
Nurses
by
na
profession,
dito.
they are nurses actually.
yes.
So gusto magbalik loob. So once meron silang mga decision letter and everything there, then we can help them para
Yes.
sa preparation for
And
the...
correct me if I'm wrong, I think, pag bumagsak ka is, pwede ka uling mag-review, no? Limit lang yung
Yes.
review sa kanila.
actually, it's not...
Limited?
No,
Or
it's
paano
not
ba?
unlimited.
Okay.
But we recognize that some of it, yan, katulad na nasabi ni Aris, no, na HCA na nandito nagtatrabaho but nurses before, and since they're working, hindi sila agad makaka-attend lagi na review. So pag yung mga missed sessions, we give them opportunity to complete them sa next batch.
Exactly.
Yes, and then we always communicate with them, especially pag malapit na yung mga schedule ng exams.
And
Yes.
guys, are you nurses?
Yes.
So currently myself is employed, working currently under the, of course, the HSC, of course.
Yes.
I will not mention my
Yes, of
position
course,
and
of
my exact location at the moment, but yes, currently
So
working.
they know what they're doing. guys.
Exactly.
Sila talaga yung makakatulong sa inyo para makapasa at maging registered nurse dito sa Ireland.
Halata, may nakapag-HSC lang to, cybersecurity.
Exactly.
Yes. So hopefully, thank you Mr. and Mrs. K. So
Salamat.
sana po visit our website at www.ansolascareacademy.com, and if you wish to inquire, you can send us an email at info@ansolascareacademy.com. Yes. Yeah, thank you so much.
We will help you guys, okay?
Okay, of course naman. So, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Same as you, yeah. All the best. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay ba lighting ko? Maganda ako?
Yeah, maganda.
Mukha ba ako naligo?
Yes.
Okay.
Kasing ganda ni RC Munoz.
Ang ganda, oh. Tsaka ano siya?
Mabaitan.
Kengkoy.
Parang mabait.
Sobrang bait.
I'm gonna put this there muna.
Gusto mo hawakan?
Of course, guys, in any event, it should be like, we have to credit the host. Kasi siyempre, pag hindi yung makikita mong yung powerful yung host at saka hindi siya inviting, baliwala. Diba?
Yes.
So, Laura,
Super lively. Talaga, sobrang nag-enjoy kami. At talaga namang mula sa simula, napakasaya nung event.
Yeah. At ang mga MC naman ay is only as good as the audience. Ano, kung hindi nag-react ang audience, kahit gani ko galing ang MC, walang mangyayari. So talagang yung nagbabalikan lang kami ng energy. So ang ganda ng mood, ang ganda ng vibe na generate today. Talagang everybody is in a festive mood. Talagang bagay na bagay. Dublin Filipino Festival.
Yes, thank you Marvin. Thank you so much. Talagang hanggang ngayon hindi man ka. Meron na namang gustong tumawag sa'yo dun sa kabila.
yes.
Okay.
Thank you. So, Marvin, until
Maraming
next
salamat.
time, siyempre,
Tara!
Let's talk! Yeah!
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.